In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to use the Live Paint Bucket tool and the Shape Builder tool. The first tool is the Live Paint Bucket tool. You can accomplish a lot in Adobe Illustrator with this tool. To learn how to trace out this object shaped like a guitar, check out my previous tutorials. As a beginner in Adobe Illustrator, you must have been in a situation where you have an object with different shapes in it, and you would like to paint each shape with different colors, but you don't know how to do it. The Live Paint Bucket tool can help you with that. First, you'll have to select the object and move over to the Tools bar and click on Live Paint Bucket tool. It should be under the Shape Builder tool. Using the Live Paint Bucket tool, hover around the object to see the different shapes inside the object. You can then apply colors to each one of them. I hope you paint better than I do. That's much about the Paint Bucket tool. Another helpful tool in Adobe Illustrator is the Shape Builder tool. With the Shape Builder tool, you can subtract a shape from an object, or even combine different shapes into one compound shape. Let's try that out. First, create 3 shapes that overlap each other and select them all. Next, select the Shape Builder tool. It should be above the Live Paint Bucket tool. Using the Shape Builder tool, hover around the object to see the different shapes within it. To create a compound shape, just click and drag across the selected shape to remove them. You will notice you've created a compound shape by doing that. That's much about the Shape Builder tool. If you enjoyed the video, and would like to watch more, don't forget to like this video, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.